How to check family account details. Today we will discuss about how you can see each transaction of a family account and issue fee card to all the families with a single click in ZamaSchool software. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on the family account. You can see the details of already created family account. Click on the fee receipt tab. Select month from the month section for which you are going to issue fee card. For example, April. Click on the search. All the fees for the month of April against all the families will appear. Two copies of slip are generated. One is account copy and the other is student copy. Click on the print and the slips are ready to print for each family. Click on the print and the slips are ready to print for each family. Similarly, you can collect fee in the fee collection area. To see the list of dues against each family, click on the dues list tab and the list will appear with all the dues against each student of a family. You can take a print of it as well. You can send the details in the SMS as well. Just click on the SMS dues button and the dues details will be sent to each family through SMS. If you want to see the transaction for a family of any date, click on the transaction tab, enter the family number you want to see the transaction. You can also set the date according to your needs, like if you want it for days, months or even for years. Simply select the date from to date and click on the search. All the transaction details according to the family number given will appear. Hope after this video you can easily check family account details and do any task related to a family account in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.